All right, welcome back, everybody. Toasty day today. At least the wind wasn't that bad, but this vantage point, skies look pretty clear. However, some smoke is already moving in. We've got some activity on a lot of the Idaho wildfires, and believe it or not, some of this smoke coming back in from California, Oregon, and Washington. 91 degrees right now in Helena, 89 in Great Falls, and that smoke again is increasing here from not only the west, but also kind of from the north. The smoke has gone from California and Oregon and Washington all the way up, and then now is coming back down into the eastern part of the state here as well. 80s and 90s right now. Tomorrow will be even hotter, and the wind certainly will be a lot worse tomorrow. Here's a look at the wind forecast, and you can see a little of that wind here tonight already off of the Rocky Mountain front, starting to see a little wind increase. But look at this heading through tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow evening. Through the overnight hours even, we'll see some wind. And then Sunday, a wind shift from the west to the north as a cold front begins to move through the state. Here on the radar, no precipitation on the radar. I want to go over just again a few of the fires. This one, the Bird's Eye Fire, burned right by the railroad tracks there, crossing Bird's Eye Road, or crossing the railroad tracks on Bird's Eye Road. It went right down in that general vicinity. There's Head Lane. Great job by the firefighters there. Firefighters on the State Creek fire having a difficult time because of the terrain and the amount of dead trees that are laid down flat in the ground here. This one to watch if you're watching from Boulder or Basin or heading down the Boulder Valley to around the Whitehall area. The Drumming fire, this one is really showing a lot of activity here today. There's a good smoke plume that probably people from Cut Bank, Valier, Hart Butte, Browning, East Glacier can all see. That one is in the Bob. Louse Creek fire, this one north of Hobson and Moore, 5,600 acres, 50% contained, not as much activity on that fire. There's a new fire here right near the M, north of Bozeman here on the south end of the Bridgers. That fire is putting off a pretty good plume. A lot of activity on that one, not much in the way of information. The Huff fire, that one blew right through Jordan, the east side of town. Over 46,000 acres burned. The Bobcat fire southeast of Roundup, 12,000 acres at least, 0% contained. How about the Sarpy fire? This one east of Hardin, west of Colstrip. We're pushing 50,000 acres on that fire alone. And the Rice and Snyder fires are kind of combining these because they're so close here. Over 43,000 acres burned here. High pressure over the now Pacific Northwest and the Northern Rockies, and this is kind of steering some of that smoke back around the high and into Montana. So it is drawing up some smoke from California, Washington, and Oregon here. And we have fires in Idaho and also into Montana. So here's the forecast for tomorrow. Record highs, extreme fire danger for Saturday. Please be careful. We're talking temperatures up in the 90s. Wind speeds may be over 30 miles per hour at times. Sunday, the transition day. Still some wind, but that wind will be shifting from the west to the north. Look at the cloud cover increasing by the afternoon, and there's the rain through the overnight Sunday into Monday. And look at that here for Labor Day. Widespread rain and, yes, snow into the higher elevation. Snow levels could come down to around 5,000 feet or so by Monday evening. That storm moves down the Rockies all the way into Wyoming and Colorado on Tuesday. Meanwhile, high pressure moves in from Montana, clearing us out, and temperatures will warm up from Tuesday into Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday here. So some much warmer weather on the way by the end of next week. Snowfall amounts, again, mainly in the higher elevations, but where you see that shade of pink, there could be more than 6 inches of the white stuff by Monday evening. Forecast for tomorrow. You can see why. We've got high fire danger. We're up into the 90s with very windy conditions here into Sunday. Windy out ahead of the front, but the wind will be switching to the north here. Maybe a few showers up there around Havre and Glasgow and Jordan by late on Sunday. And then here's the forecast for Labor Day. Look at the widespread rain and the snow. High temperatures down into the 40s. So we're going to go from the 90s on Saturday to the 40s, even the 30s in a few areas for highs on Monday. Tuesday, high pressure moves in, pushing that storm away. Still a little on the cool side here for late summer, 50s and 60s for highs. Here's the 7-day forecast for Helena. 96 tomorrow, 86 on Sunday. Please be careful of the fire danger. We get exactly what we need as far as the fire danger goes on Monday. And next week really looks beautiful with temperatures back up into the 80s later in the week. And for Great Falls, 94 tomorrow. Extreme fire danger, 45 on Monday with rain and maybe even a few wet snowflakes mixed in around Great Falls Monday evening.